Stacking Benjamins, it's all about the cash flow. Risking big on Wall Street where the stocks grow. Power ties in the concrete market jungle. Portfolio thick, make that money bundle. Money talks, I'm the voice with the slick vibe. Wolf howling while I'm climbing that high rise. I chase the bread, but now the crumb is what I leave.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today I'm actually going to be dropping all three videos. So I'm going to drop the video from Wednesday, Thursday, and this video. This video is actually my first payout, right? So I made no trades on the Fiverr's account today. You can see I had trades yesterday, but on the funding pips I actually got the funded account. I only traded one day, and then I have two trades total. So I have a trade for, if we go down, yeah, I can actually document these trades and then show you. But I will be actually withdrawing actually $100 because it's my first payout and I just want to feel it. I've never felt a payout before. Just want to feel what it's like, and then we can start over, scale from there, employ the same strategy, and just make more withdrawals and stack the funded accounts. So the first trade I entered was a sell. I entered that at last night at 11:54. I got stopped out at 2:36. So last night at about 23. So you can see I entered a sell. We were down for a good amount, but then I got stopped out at 2:36. So this was my entry, 17641.12, and then I got stopped out here at 2 a.m. But if I put this here, it will show you 2 a.m. basically. Well, no, it actually isn't showing me 2 a.m., but this is 2 a.m. So when I entered, the price didn't get back up to that level until 2 a.m. So this is the candle that actually stopped me out. But you can see I could, if I didn't get stopped out there, I could have been up by 6 a.m. and I could have closed it out there, or even, yeah, I would have to close at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. Otherwise, I definitely would have gotten stopped out at 8 a.m. The next one now was 9. So at 9, you can see we had a big move up. It's funny, and this is what I was going for yesterday. I went for the middle of my zone. You can see the market actually tapped into the gap, but the middle of the gap to the T, tapped into the gap before going back up. That's what I was looking for. You can look in yesterday's video where I described the possibility of that happen. I look for that, or you can look for it to break through the gap. Depends how it reacts at that level, right? So I had a long position at 9 a.m. and then I closed it quickly at 10 a.m. Yes, I could have made more money, but I made the target. I want to feel what it's like to take profits. I mean, I watch a lot of podcasts with experienced traders, and they always say, get that first payout, get that first payout. So this is definitely going to be my first payout. I'm just going to lock it in. $100 payout. So it's about $80 with the profit split. That's fine. I just want to feel it, start over the account, and then we can continue documenting again. Same risk. You can see my risk is 20. Sometimes I make 100. Sometimes I can make 300. Sometimes I make 50. Depends on how it trades. And if the market goes against me, I can actually reduce the risk, right? That's always an option. So my profit level was 17,674. You'll actually see where I had a little more room to go up. So yes, we could have made a bit more money, like about 200, but that's not the point to me. The point of this is to actually prove the concept. Prop firms work. You can actually withdraw some money from prop firms. You can stack accounts once you're consistent, and I'm right there at consistency. I'm right there at profitability. So you're going to see a lot more, and you can see the market is trading my zones much nicely. You can see the wicked into the zone here, kind of took out this bottom side and then started to go up. So basically you can see I made 128 on This trade, the previous trade was a loss of 20. I did two trades for the day. That's typically what I go for, my typical risk to reward. Um, no trades on the fivers. I could have made a nice clean trade at 10 a.m. on fivers because say I went in with my typical $20 risk, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out and I could have made a nice 1 to 6 risk to reward. So that would have been probably 120 again on this account. And then the target with this is about I need to make $400 for me to get funded on this one, right? Let's get into the watch list now. So what do we have? I wasn't really paying attention to the market much today, so I didn't see what's going on. Looks like the market isn't doing much in terms of Bitcoin. It's just staying relatively close to where it was yesterday at 63478. Tesla's probably up. You can see it reacted nicely off my level. It actually used my level as a zone where it went up from, and we're at 168. Yeah, we're at 168. I don't like how this looks. I want to actually show that extended market hours. How do I show that again? Yeah. So it's not, so there's not this gap. You can actually see how the market is trading during. Very, very nice there. Very nice. Very nice. It's interesting because the gaps that I see play into are just extended hours trading. That it's not really a high volume trading, but it's still trading nonetheless. Like price is still active, people are still buying. The next one is IMMR. We're at 7.18. Can see during all of this, IMMR hasn't went down from 7 at all. Bitfarms, we have Bitfarms a little lower at 1.94. Nvidia, where do you think Nvidia is? 800? 879. So Nvidia is trailing up. If this would have been the nice buy bottom on Nvidia. Wow, look at this. It's playing off my zone nicely. Don't play with the game. Don't play. We're going to run this up. We're going to run this up. I'm 100% sure that we're going to start making huge withdrawals, huge profits on the market soon. You can see how the market is trading into these zones very nicely. So AMD, we're at 157. So AMD barely did anything compared to yesterday, but I'm liking how it's reacting within the zones. It didn't come to half of my zone, but it came close to half, which is still good. SMCI, look at you, trending up at 858. SMCI is so funny. It's like trading where Nvidia is, but not really. It's like in a whole different world. And you can see it looks like it's ready to just fill all of this gap that it got going on, right? So what can I say about today? I don't have much on the narrative today. It just seemed like a calm day where price just kind of straggled around. Like you basically got a little breather. Market got a little breather from Google earnings. Still went up a little, but nothing drastic. Relaxed Friday overall. That's what I have to say about this market. And that's basically it. I don't have anything else to present. So I'll see you all Monday where we'll be back again. So my first payout. I told you we would do this on the channel, all live, all documented. So all the trades that took me to profitability are there and you'll see them. So check it out. And then when the trades actually start to scale and be much larger, I'm just going to tell people to go back and watch the videos because they're all there. They were all documented. Nothing was hidden. It was all on YouTube Wins, loses, drawdowns, profits. All the trades were there. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.